tortilla soup. And right now, on a medium heat, I have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And you will need about 1 to 2 pounds of chicken. I have diced up just a chicken breast. If you have rotisserie chicken, you can shred it, and that would be perfect. I got my oil hot, and I'm just putting my chicken in. And I'm just gonna get the oil all over the chicken. And I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Add a little bit more pepper. And you just want to cook your chicken all the way through. Well, it doesn't have to be all the way through, but we want to just brown the chicken. And that doesn't take very long at all. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. The chicken is almost done. So we're going to put it in a bowl, set to the side, and then we're going to saute our vegetables. I got my spoon for that. It's okay if there is a little bit of pink because the chicken will finish in the soup. Set to the side. Now I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then here I got 1 large jalapeno chopped up, a medium onion chopped, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. But I did 3 because they were kind of small. And you just toss it in. And you want to lower the heat so we don't scorch vegetables. We just want to sweat them. And while our vegetables are sauteing, you need a can of black beans, rinsed and drained, and a can of corn, drained. So keep an eye on your veggies as it's being sauteed. And it's perfect weather. Cold front came in. Oh, I can't wait to eat some. And the reason why you want to drain some black beans is because exactly what they are. They're black beans, so they have black juice, and they'll turn your soup to a black color. I did that with rice. I didn't rinse my black rice once. The whole dish was black, and it was good, but it was just different. so. Now our onion is getting more translucent. So we want to add our chicken again. It smells so good. Then I have 4 cups of chicken broth. Then I'm going to add, if you have diced tomatoes, 14.5 ounces of tomatoes, you could put it in, but I don't have that. So I'm using a can of tomato chilies. And it's just 14.5 ounces. So I just add 1 can of that. Then you're going to add your 1 can of corn and black beans. Oh, it looks so good. You could add another cup of broth if you would like. I like mine more of a hearty soup than a broth. Okay, now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. A 1/2 tablespoon of cumin. And a 1/2 tablespoon of oregano. You can just stir it up. Then you're going to take a handful, I get it, of cilantro. You kind of roughly chop it or shred it in your fingers. Your soup. And now you just let your soup cook for about, let's say 30 to 40 minutes, till you'll see the oil on top and then the flavors just really combine. You just let it hang out and let it cook. And I'll see you back in 30 to 40 minutes and we'll put this and I'll show you how to make it nice and neat in a bowl. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes and notice like how there's some oil at the top. The cilantro has wilted into the broth and everything's cooked and blended. So I'm going to turn it off and let it hang out. And now I'm going to show you how to boil this beautiful soup up. Alright, so I poured some of the tortilla soup in this bowl. Now you could fry some tortilla strips, but I have some tortilla chips. And you just crush them on top. And you could put as many as you like. This is from a restaurant because we had takeout yesterday. And I'm going to add a little bit more cilantro. And then some avocados. And then a dollop of sour cream on top. And you could add some cheese if you would like. And then a little squirt of lime. Get that seed out. And then you can put it to the side. And you can put more. And that is a chicken tortilla soup. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys.